Road salt damage to historical milestones indicates adaptation of winter roads to future climate change may damage Arctic cultural heritage. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe. There is no doubt that anthropogenic global warming is accelerating damage to cultural heritage. Adaptation measures are required to reduce the loss of sites, monuments, and remains. However, little research has been directed towards understanding potential impacts of climate adaptation measures in other governmental sectors on cultural heritage. As the climate warms, road salt use will move north into areas where sites have been protected by contiguous winter snow cover. This will expose Arctic, subarctic cultural heritage, including Viking graves and Sami sites, to a new anthropogenic source of damage. In this pilot study, the researchers have demonstrated that climate change-related damage to cultural heritage may come from not only inaction, but also deliberate actions for adapting other sectors to climate change. The study of 37 cast iron milestones has brought novel insights into the risk of de-icing road salt damaging cultural heritage. The results have wider implications for studying the secondary impacts of climate change on cultural heritage, both in terms of other monuments made of iron and metal objects in buried contexts such as graves. Conservation practice needs to be aware of all potential risks to cultural heritage, including those caused by the actions of other government agencies in attempting to mitigate the effects of climate change in other social contexts.